Dainfern College was founded in 1997, and as a college we've always been known to be innovative, forward-thinking and really providing excellent education in an independent setting. And we're very excited today that we are opening 4 new spaces, collaborative spaces. In our junior prep we have the Imaginarium and we have the Lighthouse. And then coming through to our senior prep and high school space, we have Ubambiswano and we have our garage.
So the thinking behind the centre started probably 5 years ago. In those 5 years we visited makerspaces and media centres all over the place. We looked at what the universities were requiring and designed it around that.
The establishment of the Innovation Centre entitled the Imaginarium is a highlight for our junior prep. It has been critical in fostering a dynamic learning environment that prepares students for the demands of an ever-evolving future. The Imaginarium serves as a hub for cultivating critical skills such as creativity, problem-solving and adaptability.
We will empower our students to become confident and resourceful individuals.
Through international research, we understand that the skill set that our students are going to need as they go forward is critical. Our spaces speaks to our philosophy of a growth mindset. It speaks to curiosity. It speaks to collaboration. It speaks to problem solving.
This is a very exciting space. We are going to be engaging with our students. They will be able to do computational thinking, so our coding and robotics programs. They will also be able to just collaborate, to make, to bake, to boil water, melt plastic, build anything that they have conceptualized.
On the side we sit on now is designed to be a very collaborative area, a very flexible area. Basically the process of design thinking starts with ideation or coming up with an idea, researching and designing solutions to the problem that the idea presents. Once they've done that building and researching up in this space, they will then go downstairs into the makerspace and actually build their solutions, and then they will move back up into here to present their solutions.
It's one thing to just have the technology. So we believe, for example, if we had colourful areas that is attractive, we would obviously get children and teachers to maybe be more in that area. It may also raise the excitement levels to maybe participate in activities that people won't normally do. You know, maybe I'm not always interested in technology, but as a result of the space that it's in, the conducive environment, it helps kids to maybe want to do it.
In our current curriculum, we talk about STEAM, where we bring our subjects of science, technology, engineering, arts and mathematics together with inquiry-based learning. And our students are exposed to real-world problems. And together they are able to research, they're able to design, they're able to solve problems, and they come up with solutions.
But people could consider old school ways of research. It's still in an environment where innovation is fostered. You can lie on a beanbag, read your book, think about potential innovative ideas. That was all part of the whole design process when we developed the makerspace.
We know that children at a very young age have access to devices and technology. We know that it is critical for them to be prepared for an unknown future, an unknown world, and we really strongly believe that this enthusiasm and what they already know in terms of tech is critical in building on those foundations for the future.
It also enables Dainfern College to stay at the forefront of educational innovation.
What we do know is that these new spaces are really enabling all our students at an age-appropriate space to be able to develop what we believe will best prepare them for the future. And we're very excited about our new space as we move forward.